Well, it was a lot harder than it needed to be for what I needed to do. So I tried putting some 4 foot long wings or whatever on this thing to lift it up, give me some leverage. That kind of worked once my screws held, and I started lifting it. And then I realized that with the wood on it, it was going to be too tall to do anything. So I wouldn't be able to flip it up. So I got the engine hoist. No matter what combination I had of the leveler on the inside of the seatbelt holes and things, it just wasn't tall enough to go over the window ledge, I guess, to get into the car. And then when I did get that figured out, after 4 or 5 times of lengthening the hoist arm, as it started to lift and crest over, then the hoist was actually resting against the top of the door there. So I got about 45 degrees tilted, and it just didn't want to do things. Did a lot of things you probably should not do. Don't rest a car on the handle of a jack, because the jack is on wheels, and there's just so many other things of why not to do that. It worked for a second so that I could do things. And I know why my wife says she wonders why I'm still alive. Things like that. I don't know. You'll probably watch the video and tell me about 14 things I did that were wrong. I'm sure that there's more than that. I don't really care because I got it up, which is the main thing. Yeah. So without further ado, here's my underside. So this was on both sides. I already fixed, kind of, this side. Got some new metal here, new metal here. I'm going to bend this back. I got bent. And then shove some seam sealer all along there, straighten those ledges out. This is a support panel. Got to clean up all these nasty welds on the bottom side. That didn't get edge primed. And these are my my floor braces. And all in here, as you can probably see, there's rusted chunks everywhere. I blew most of it out, but all in these little deals in there, there's rust. And it doesn't look like these are too bad, but you can hear the rust coming down, so who knows what's in there. But basically, I got the whole brace, and then I can maybe not have to get rid of all of this and replace just down there. And replace that. That, I'm sure behind here is trash. I can see the light, it looks like. But, the whole body mount, well, I don't know what you call those, captive mounts, is really, captive nuts. Nuts. It's bad. I needed those, to do the body mount things. That one's just seized up, which wouldn't be hard to undo, but it's also rusted down here and there. You could just, put your finger in. Oh, then the guy just happened to put some stuff in there. Hopefully that's not Bondo, it's seam sealer, but, then you get down over here. Oh, maybe it's not that side. This whole floor is just done. And somebody, looks like they used their shop rag in here and glued it in place, so that'll hold just fine. And I got, rust building up in this corner, and up in here. Who knows what's in between there. I might drill these spot welds and take this off and just treat behind it. Because you got stuff like that going on where metals come together and who knows what's in there eating it. So I just wanted to get in there and treat on that stuff. And this floor pan, trunk pan, somebody already did some, it's like arc welding on sheet metal. That's fine. This is a whole new, used trunk pan. But when they put this in, you can see that, not flush. And I don't like that. You can see they kind of hammer on it. Scammed it in right up there. And just zip it in there. But, there's that going on. So maybe I can cut that free back so far and then, zip it together and do some welding. But got new panels, a whole new trunk floor, new floor. Over there on my messy workbench, I got floor braces. And another one just showed up from the brown Santa guy. So yeah, this is where we're at. Hopefully we'll be a lot further off here soon, and keep you guys posted as I go. If you got any questions about this tip over jig or what not to do, I have plenty of those things to tell you. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, that helps me out, and see you in a few days.